On the rolls now is
Asiana, yes.
Asiana 602 to A380 800 off to Seoul.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we just got Asiana. We can't miss the Asiana. Here we go, folks. Here we go. Yeah, love it. Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Big wind there on the rotate.
Yeah.
Waving goodbye.
Yeah, a little bit of a wing wave for us there. What do you reckon?
Good on you.
Waves in the chat, folks. Waves in the chat for Asiana, and everyone's missed it. They've had their backs turned to it.
Asiana 602, contact departures, g'day.
Wow.
You can buy me lunch.
That was something else. That one wasn't it, Dougie?
Yeah, that was
I think we were the only ones watching that. Did you see
No.
that was a bit wobbly there on the rotate.
Yeah, very much.
Kurt had me taking photos, mate. Oh, let me
Roped
get into this one.
social media engagements.
Yes.
Unbelievable.